Flying Brian here. It's another project day. Look what the UPS man has brought me in the mail. Big League Lawns Checkmate lawn striping system. It's this big roller and some hardware. This is everything that came in the package. A couple of angle brackets, two rather beefy brackets there, some hardware. I'm going to put this on the back of my 33-inch Cub Cadet mower so that I can stripe my lawn. It says I should be able to connect it right down on the bottom of that bracket. So let's get cranking on it. There's the nice roller. Some hardware in here. That slides up and down the channel. Let's just set that aside. Alright, according to the instructions, they have a bracket that goes like this, and it is connected together with these 3/4 inch bolts. They have a self-locking fiber nut on them. I'm just going to get everything loosely assembled to start with. Then those go into this frame. Lovely dogs. Gotta love the neighbors. Something like that. There should be another one. Where's my other bolt? There it is. I'm going to leave them loose until I get them mounted on the mower so I can have some wiggle room on these. And I understand that these get mounted to the mower something like this. I guess a washer goes on each side through here. And then onto the chassis of the mower. Let's see how that works. Let's get that started. Let's get the first bracket off. It has a 5/8 inch X on the outside and 1/2 on the inside, which is sort of unusual. And just looking at it, I think the best way to do this, I can't go through that way. that works. Okay, let's get this nut started. Wow, kind of hard to get a good angle on that. Oh, my wrench is the wrong one. Okay. And it should swing free like that. There's one. Alright, let's get the other one off. Alright. Starting to wonder if these are not metric. All right. Okay. Washer goes in behind it. The nut on the back. Oh, that was a 9/16. You know, something tells me these are all metric. They must be. All right, let's see if this works. Okay. Tire goes back on. Okay, with the brackets on, now it's time to put hang the actual roller. Let's get that centered up a little bit. Let's loosen that thing up. That's pretty close to being even on both sides. Okay. Start cinching this up. Okay. Okay. That looks to be it. There's the pivot. A little close up. It's a well-made piece of equipment, very heavy duty. It looks just as I had hoped, and it would look even better if the turf was in better condition. Judge for yourself. Remember, life is a journey. Enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching.